Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
So today we will start new topic, that is power of lens. What is that? Power of lens. So what is this power of lens? Okay. Yes. Now how to define this power of lens? Okay. Yes, can anyone tell me what is power of lens? So simply I can say that this is nothing but a reciprocal of focal length. Reciprocal of focal length. Power is denoted by P and it is equal to 1 by F. Power P is denoted by letter P, we can say, and it is 1 by F. So this is what formula. SI unit for power is diopter and it is denoted by capital D. It is denoted by capital D. If you want to calculate power, then you should take focal length in meter. That is, if you want power in diopter, है ना? So therefore, I am writing power P that is in diopter is equal to 1 by focal length that is in meter. Another formula, if power in diopter only you want, but focal length you are substituting in centimeter, then you use this formula, that is 100 by F in centimeter. Okay. Next point you see, suppose now I am having convex lens. Convex lens. So for this convex lens, the focus is which side? This side, है ना? When we are incidenting parallel rays, they are meeting at this point. Okay. So here is the focus, as this is light direction, है ना? And where is focus? This side. So this focal length is positive or negative? For convex lens, F is positive. F is positive. Therefore, power P is positive. Okay? Yes. Similarly, for concave lens, if I am taking concave lens, then you know how is the concave lens? Like this, right? And where is its focus? This side. Let me finish the diagram. So its focus is which side? This side. When we are incidenting parallel beams or parallel light rays, this is meeting somewhere here. Yes. and this is not actual meeting. Yes, if it just appears true, that's why I'm denoting with dotted line. So your focus is this side, which is against the light direction. So this focal length is negative, and therefore power for concave lens is negative. Yes. So even in case of mirror also, you have to see first focal length. If focal length is positive, power is positive. If focal length is negative, then power is also negative. Okay, understood? Any doubt? Clear? Note down this all. Shall I go to the next page? Shall I go to the next page? Yes, everyone finished. Okay. So see here. Now, one more definition of power I am giving you. So see here. What is that definition? Yes. Shall I proceed? Do it fast. This is the previous page. Yes, finished. Yes. Okay. So see what I was telling. I was telling that I'm going to tell you one more power definition. So this is in case of convex lens. So I'm writing like this: power of convex lens. Power of convex lens. Okay. Listen now, what I am doing, I am considering one lens. Which lens? Convex lens. You can see here. This is a convex lens. Okay. And now let us suppose this is the principal axis of this convex lens. Yes. Does the power differ in convex and concave lens? Yes, if focal length will change, definitely it will change, and obviously sign is different. Okay. So see now, this is a convex lens, and this is what? Principal axis. Now what I am doing, I am incidenting a ray of light, okay, like this, and then it will converge like this. Okay. And let us suppose this height is h. This height is what? H. And now this angle is theta. Yes or no? It is making one angle, no? Theta. And this is what your focus of that convex lens. And this one, this distance is what? Focal length. Yes. Now can I write like this from diagram? from diagram, you see tan of theta is equal to h by f. Tan theta is equal to what? H by f. If suppose I will draw this line here at optical center, it is same equal to h, no? Yes? Yes, no? If suppose this point is O, this point is O, that is optical center, then it is also h only. Yes? And in this triangle OAB, we can say this is A point, this is F point, or OAF बोलेंगे. So in triangle or in diagram triangle OAEF, है कि नहीं? Tan theta is equal to h by f. Yes. Now if h is equal to 1 meter, then tan theta is equal to what, Ray? 1 by f. So can I say that power P is equal to tan theta here, which is equal to 1 by f? Yes or no? Understood? Yes or no? Yes. Understanding? समझ में आ रहा है? Yes. किसी को नींद आ रही है क्या? हाँ? Yes. That's why, see now how I am writing definition. See here, definition कैसे लिख रहा हूँ देखो एक बार. Power of convex lens. You just see how I am writing. Is it, can we define like that or not? You tell me. Power of convex lens. I am writing like this. It is the tangent ratio of angle of incident. क्या लिख रहा हूं मैं देखो. It is the tangent ratio of angle of incident ray और कैसे लिखेंगे रुको. It is the tangent ratio of angle of convergent ray लिखेंगे. convergent ray बोलेंगे है ना. angle of convergent ray made at focus incident parallel to principal axis. Incident parallel to principal axis from unit height. एक बार चेक करो क्या मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूं. It is the tangent ratio of angle of convergent ray made at focus incident parallel to principal axis from unit height. Yes, can I write like this? Check once. Yes. And that's why whatever you got this formula, again I am writing P is equal to tan of theta is equal to h by f, and if h is equal to 1 meter, is what? 1 f. So no need to write this h again, है ना? Just write down 1 by f. है कि नहीं? यस, चेक करो, सही है। क्लियर, नोट डाउन। Any doubt you can ask me. Any doubt, please ask. Yes, any doubt. If h is equal to 1, then only this is power definition valid. That's it. Don't think otherwise. Sir, I will keep h 3 meter, then is it power? No, not at all. Okay? Only and only when h is equal to 1 meter. Ante. Okay? Right. Any other doubt? Any other doubt? Yes. No doubt. Okay. Shall I proceed? Shall I proceed? Yes. Shall I go to the next page? Okay. Right. Noted, everyone. Write down. Yes, finished. Okay. Let's go to the next page. And now, net power formula. P net. If some combination is there or whatever it is. If you want to find P net, always keep it in mind. P1 plus P2 plus so on plus up to Pn. This is for combined power. What is this? Combined power due to individual, what we can say? Individual optical element. Individual optical element. Individual optical element means lens गानी, mirror गानी, एदेना गानी. Okay. हाँ. तो इसके लिए let's learn one topic, that is lens with one silvered surface. So this is new topic, that's why let's change the color. Okay. So see, lens with one surface silvered. Lens with one surface silvered. Now what we are going to learn, that when the one part of lens is silvered, yes. So how to find out focal length in such a cases? So let's see. First try to understand diagram properly and then we will find out focal length or power. Now see here, this is a lens I'm drawing here. Okay, and this is what principal axis. And now this one is the incident ray. And this part means this side of this lens is silver. What we have done, this side we have silver. Now how it will behave, Ray? Tell me how it will behave. See, lens and its one part is silver, right? Okay. So how to do this? See, now first I will explain what happens inside the lens when such thing is there. What happens actually? So I'm writing equal to. This is equal to. What happens? See how the ray bends and all. Yes. Wait. Agandi manchika vinandi. See, first is this is a lens, right? So when ray is entering due to this curved part, you are getting first image. So that is what I am drawing here. So this is a lens, है yes. So first of all, what happens? Listen carefully. This understanding is very, very important. If you got another structure also, you should simplify it like this. So now this ray came, and due to this, you are getting one image. Yes, no. So you got this image here due to this lens. Okay. Now next is what? This mirror. So now you are having, I am keeping one plus sign. So here it will behave as a mirror now because this is mirror. So now whatever this image is getting formed due to the first lens part or first curved surface, we can say that will behave as an object for this mirror. Getting my point? Listen how it is. So see, कैसे है थोड़ा सा ध्यान से सुनो. Now this is a mirror. Okay, right. And this is what? Principal axis. So due to this mirror now, what happens? This is image I1 now. This image is what? Behaving like a object for this, right? So where is this? Somewhere here inside. And this is what? The virtual image, right? This will behave as an object. So here is I1. Whatever image formed because of this, that will behave as an object for this mirror. Okay, and this mirror will give you another image somewhere here because it is after refraction. Yes, and this is actual meeting of the ray, and this image is I2. Okay, sir. After that mirror ray got reflected, right? After this, what happens? After this, ये जो I2 है, this I2 is again behaving as an object for complete lens because it is again getting from this side only, image is getting from this side only. So what I am doing, again plus here, what happens? See, again the lens is there because the ray is reflecting and coming back into the lens. So this is again lens, right? And this is what your principal axis. So now this is what I2, right? Yes, here is I2. So this one. With reading, shall I use reading? Yes, this is I2. So that you can differentiate little bit. This is I2. And the ray is coming from where? The ray is coming like this. Yes or no? But this is what? Behaving like the object now. Yes or no? yes, till here, and actual the last जो image है वो कहाँ पे मिल जाएगी? लास्ट जो इमेज है वो रे बेंड होके यहाँ पे मिलेगी, somewhere here. So this is what your eye see. This is what actual image, and these things are happening because of this. Yes. So as usual, this is R1, this is R2, here also R1, this is R2, and this is obviously what? Only R2, है ना? And this one, again you have R1 and this is R2, and the ray direction for this is like this, and this is like this, okay? All right. Now I want to find net power because of this structure. So this is a lens, yes. So for this lens, I am having focal length. For this lens is FL. For this it is FM, that is mirror, and for this it is again FL. So as for this lens, it is convex lens. It is positive. This is positive, but this is negative. Which one? For concave mirror, because focus is this side. So it is minus. So now, if I want net power of this structure, P net is equal to what is formula? P1 plus P2 plus P3, because we have three things. Now here this P net is what? 1 by F, total focal length, we can say F net is equal to 1 by FL plus, this is P2 for this mirror, that's why 1 by minus of FM plus again 1 by this is FL. Understand? And FM कैसे find out करेंगे? FM, if you want to find, FM is equal to what? R2 by 2, है ना? Radius of curvature by 2. This you keep it in mind. This is already you know how to find this. But for mirror also I told relation between focal length and radius of curvature. So here FM is equal to what? R2 by 2. And you want to find FL, focal length of lens, you know how to find focal length of lens for this. This you know from lens maker's formula. कौन बोलेगा? बोलो बोलो. If I am taking this lens, you can see this is the refractive index mu, and this side it is air, this side also air. So can I write like this? 1 by FL is equal to mu by mu a. Mu a is 1, so therefore mu minus 1 into bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So substitute all these values and get the required answer. So everything you have, how to find also I told. Yes, FM कैसे find out करना है? R2 by 2. 1 by FL कैसे find out करना है? Use this formula, lens maker's formula, and get whatever he is asking. Is that clear? Is that clear? Understood? So what happens diagrammatically here? I have explained. Yes. So one more diagram I am giving you so that you will understand Inka better. Inka better kavali ante, see this combination of all diagrams is nothing but this is a lens. Yes. And here is a mirror. Yes, like this. How actually ray bends, I am showing you. Just ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి. And this is what the principal axis. This is what the principal axis. And this one is mirror. That's why this is silvered part. So the first light ray is going like this, incident on this, then it will get little bit refracted, okay, straight, and then it will come little bit like this, and then little bit it will converge and you will get final image somewhere here. here, understanding something like this. Okay, so this is what ray actual things, whatever I have shown, this is what the three things, and here it is object, and final image is somewhere here you are getting. This is what complete the ray which I have shown here. This is what the result of this is. Is it clear? This is lens and this is mirror. M for mirror. Okay, understood. Any doubt you can ask.
Sir,
Yes, 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 yes.
can you explain it near the lens when it passes through it?
Yes. What is your doubt?
Can you explain it near the lens when it passes through?
I am unable to hear your question. Please loudly you speak.
Can you explain it near the lens, sir? In
Near the
above
lens.
diagram. Yes, sir.
Near the lens means?
Above you, like the topmost of the page. Yes, sir.
This you
Near
want
the
to?
lens, what happens? Yeah, yes, sir.
This is what here I have explained. No, everything. This is internal structure. This is little bit I have taken long. This is same thing happening here. Okay, inside everything, right? This one object, then this is going like this, then from mirror it will reflect, and again it will bend. This is your final image. See here, first lens, this happens, then from mirror, whatever this is there, this image will behave as
Sir,
object, and you are
I
getting
understood the rest, sir. I didn't understand the lens part here.
here or here.
Both cases.
Who is this?
Shrestha, sir.
Shrestha. ये जो object है ना, this object from this object the first ray will come, yes, and it will produce one image. Understand?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Here this all three diagrams, this is just combination ray. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just ray is coming and giving image due to the lens. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, any other doubt? We have learned no in the lenses. See, if suppose object is somewhere, how the rays are, I have explained no, how image is getting formed. Yes, we have learned in case of point object also. So if suppose object is here, the first ray is going how parallel, like this parallel suppose, then it bends. Yes, then second ray is going like this, there they are intersecting, that is your image. Something like this, here you are getting image. Yes, this already we have learned now. Same like that only. If suppose point object is somewhere here, then how the rays are going and how they are creating image, that is what I have shown in this diagram in case of lens. Okay, Shrestha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt? Please note down this. I will show you this thing in lab also, okay? With mirror and lens. Don't worry. Okay, so let's stop here for today. Bye.